Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pranchi Agrawal and आज का video is all about skincare. I'll be showing you just 5 products that I think every one of you, whether you're a guy or a girl, should have and should indulge in the skincare regularly. Yes, and इस वीडियो के लिए मेरे को कोई excuses नहीं चाहिए because ये पूरे steps को करने में hardly 5 मिनट लगता है आपको and this is extremely easy and affordable. And yes, also with this video, I'm no way saying that I have a perfect skin or a flawless skin or that my skin is the best. No, I'm not saying it. I'm just making this video because these products have helped me in the longer run and I want them to help you as well. Quick story, when I was in 6th or 7th grade, I had the worst skin ever. I had acne, I had so much of oil on my skin, and I remember people in my school actually used to mock me. But with the time when I've started indulging into skincare, my skin has improved a lot. So yes, also my guy friends who always keep on saying कि तू लड़कियों के लिए वीडियो बनाती है सिर्फ, no, you can follow it as well. And yes, without further ado, let's start with the video. So the first product that I would recommend is obviously a face wash. I have two products. So I have two products in every category. So in the face wash, the first one is the Himalaya Neem Purifying Face Wash. Now I have been using this since 8th standard, 9th standard, and no matter मैं कितने expensive face washes use कर लूँ या कितने नए face washes market में आ जाए, I always go back to this. This is my holy grail, and as far as I know, it suits all skin types because it has neem and turmeric in it. The second one is Wow Charcoal Face Wash. So I've recently started using this. It has this brush sort of a thing ऊपर, and I just go in and massage my face thoroughly with it. So sometimes when I'm super lazy, I use this face wash because ये पूरा squeaky clean कर देता है मेरे face को, and I'm too lazy sometimes to remove my makeup, तो मैं directly इसको जाके use कर लेती हूँ. But if you ask, the one product that I will choose between these two is this one, because it is super gentle and it works for all the skin types. Now talking about the second product, that is obviously a scrub. So scrub basically removes all the dead skin and the blackheads and the whiteheads from your skin. So the first one being this DIY scrub. So I just took some coffee powder and sugar and mixed the two with water and applied it on my face. Let it settle for 10 minutes and then washed my face with clean regular water. If you're someone who is like too lazy to use a scrub and do all the DIYs, you can just go in with this Biotica Papaya scrub. So this is very affordable. I guess ये कितने का आता है? ये 200 रुपए का कुछ आता है, 199 कुछ का, and it is super. This removes tan as well. After I'm done scrubbing my face and like cleansing it properly, it's time to tone my face. So a toner basically pulls out all the extra dirt and gunk from your face, closes the pores, gives you a very soothing और बहुत fresh लगता है after using a toner. I have this Plum का green tea toner with me. ये मेरी 3rd bottle होगी mostly. मुझे इतना ज़्यादा पसंद है ये product. And the other one is the basic Gulabri rose water that I use at night when I just want my skin to, you know, cool down a bit, soothe, और मुझे वो एक freshness चाहिए होती है. So at that time I use this one. ये mostly मैं morning में use करती हूँ for the freshness. So these products are absolutely great and makes me feel super fresh. So now that my toner is dry, I go in and use the serum from Mamaearth. That is Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum, and it has vitamin C and turmeric in it. And the second product that I have is the Neutrogena Oil Free Moisturizer. So both these products are oil free and I use it because I have oily skin. अगर आपके dry skin है, you can use something that is more oil based. Now if you want me to choose, I will obviously pick the serum over this moisturizer. Don't get me wrong, I know moisturizer is equally important, but a serum just penetrates deep into your skin और उससे ज़्यादा मॉइस्चराइज्ड और इल्यूमिनेटिंग रहती है स्किन. दैट्स व्हाई आई गो इन एंड यूज़ दिस सीरम. सीरम ट्वाइस अ डे. वैसे ऐसा बोलते हैं कि ये सीरम के बाद मॉइस्चराइजर लगाना चाहिए, बट बिकॉज आई हैव ऑयली स्किन मुझे ये इनफ होता है. नाउ द फिफ्थ एंड द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट इज ऑब्वियसली अ सनस्क्रीन. And again the two options are one from Neutrogena and this is Mamaearth Ultra Light Indian Sunscreen with carrot and turmeric. Both of these sunscreens are SPF 50 plus. Extremely light on the skin, does not feel sticky at all. I don't even know where to begin with when talking about the sunscreen, because I think it is so important to use a sunscreen. Even अभी तो हम बाहर भी नहीं जा रहे, घर में ही रह रहे, but जो हम दिन भर लैपटॉप्स एंड फोन्स की स्क्रीन के आगे बैठे होते हैं, this is so skin damaging. I would highly recommend you. Recommend क्या मतलब, करना ही है जबरदस्ती, सनस्क्रीन लगाओ. So yes, that was my easy 5-step, just 5 product skincare routine. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and let me know कि आपको और क्या videos देखना पसंद है. I will see you in the next video. Bye.